Before you buy Timely, there are 12 key things you need to know. Stick around because we'll cover everything you need to consider before making your decision. It's important to understand how it stacks up against other options in the accounting software market and whether it's truly the best choice for your needs. First thing to know is that Timely offers solid features for tracking time and project management. Unlike competitors like QuickBooks or Xero, which focus more on bookkeeping, Timely excels in keeping track of hours spent on various tasks and projects. If your main need is time tracking, Timely offers a streamlined, user-friendly solution. Next thing, it integrates with various tools like Google Calendar and Zoom. While some accounting software may have a limited number of integrations, Timely offers extensive compatibility, which can save you time if you use multiple platforms. However, if you need more financial features beyond time tracking, you might want to look into other software options. The third thing to note is its AI-powered features. Timely has smart technology that automatically records the time you spend on tasks, which can be incredibly useful for freelancers or small businesses. This is something QuickBooks doesn't offer to the same extent. However, the AI feature isn't perfect, and there's still a manual review process required, so it's not completely hands-off. Next thing, Timely offers a great visual interface for tracking time spent on tasks. If you're a visual learner or need easy-to-read reports, this could be a big plus. But if you're mainly looking for detailed financial reports, QuickBooks or FreshBooks might be better suited for your needs. The fifth thing is that Timely has an excellent mobile app, which lets you track time on the go. For users who need to track time during meetings or while traveling, this is a huge benefit. But keep in mind that this focus on time tracking may leave some users wanting more advanced financial management tools. The sixth thing is its pricing structure. Timely is a bit on the pricier side compared to other software like Wave, which offers a free option. But if you value simplicity and powerful time tracking, the cost could be justified. It's definitely worth considering how much you're willing to spend based on your business needs. The seventh thing to consider is Timely's customer support. While it's generally responsive, there are reports of slow responses during peak times. If having immediate support is important to you, some other competitors like FreshBooks might provide a more consistent support experience. Next, Timely is geared towards individuals and small teams. If you're a larger organization, its functionality may not be robust enough to handle complex business needs. Larger companies may find QuickBooks or Xero to be more scalable and suited to their size. The ninth thing to note is that Timely's reporting capabilities are more limited compared to what QuickBooks offers. While it's great for basic time tracking, it doesn't offer the same level of financial reporting or analytics, so if you need advanced reports or tax filing, you might want to explore other options. The 10th thing is its flexibility with billable hours. For those in consulting or other billable work, Timely makes it easy to track and bill clients accurately. However, if you need more advanced invoicing features, like the ones offered by FreshBooks, you may feel limited by Timely's capabilities. The 11th thing to mention is Timely's ability to set goals for time usage. If you're someone who likes to track progress towards specific goals, this is a feature you'll appreciate. But if your focus is more on general bookkeeping or accounting, you might find this unnecessary. Finally, Timely can be a great solution if your primary focus is time tracking. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution that covers accounting, invoicing, and tax filing, you may want to look at alternatives like QuickBooks, which offer a broader range of financial features. In conclusion, Timely is a good option if you need a time tracking solution. But if you're looking for more comprehensive accounting tools, we recommend checking out our solution, which you can try for free.